Yeah.
That was huge. I could feel it. That was huge.
That feels real fucking good.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Bro, I work out all day, every day for no reasons.
The
I'm
best
an
part
addict at
about this
point.
is seeing like the euphoria on their face as they get done having it popped.
Man, that was really good. Now let's do the other side, eh? How's that sound?
Amazing. Oh, damn. That felt good.
You're gonna feel good after